The mobile industry in India is one of the fastest growing markets in the world. With close to 1 billion subscribers, it's evolving from voice to mobile applications with the advent of 3G and LTE networks. An ever-growing active internet population makes use of the mobile internet for email, chat, search, and to stay connected with their social networks.
Today we are talking to Mr. Peenal Patel, Head of Network Assurance Service to Aircel, to get more insight into the Indian mobile market challenges and to learn how Aircel has been building competitive advantage in this highly competitive environment. Let's welcome Mr. Peenal Patel. Hello sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Can you briefly present Aircel?
Aircel is a cellular service provider and we are into multiple technology, 2G, 3G and 4G. We being awarded a telecommunication license in India. Along with that, we are into the enterprise services as well as national long distance and international long distance. Put all together, we are a complete telecom solution provider in India.
What are the key challenges faced by the Indian mobile operators in the current scenario?
The kind of value proposition and tariff we are offering to the customers, looking onto that, quality and hygiene are the major challenges which we are facing right now.
Where do you think monitoring solutions like Astelia are placed in the Indian market?
Astelia is playing an important role in the cellular industry because with the help of Astelia, we are able to monitor unique individuals as a customer, different segments like SME, corporates, and many other. With the help of this tool, we are not only to control and improve on our quality parameters, but also my sales guy is confident while they are facing a customer.
How Astelia's products and services have helped in aligning your commercial and technical goals?
As you are aware, we can monitor a behavior and calling pattern of subscribers as well as equipments. If we combine both, then only we can achieve or work upon improvements with respect to quality of services and hygiene. Astelia possesses unique feature, or we can say it's a feature-rich platform where we can combine equipment and customers. How customer engage with the network is important for us, and the answer of how is with the Astelia monitoring solutions. In terms, we are improving on revenue as well as customer satisfactions. That's how Astelia help us in delivering.
Aircel being more data-centric in its approach, how is Astelia helping you manage data surge and customer experience?
Yes, you rightly said, we are the mobile internet company, and to monitor our data transactions is very imperative for us, and that job we are getting it done from Astelia probe. This probe is closely associated with our packet core elements, and we are surfacing all the problems by identifying accurate root cause with the help of Astelia. So not only the root cause, once we surface this down, I think that's the satisfaction of my customer. And that's a directly link with, revenue. So that's how this probe is very helpful in our day-to-day operations.
Okay.